Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Export Tally Trail YouTube channel. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about the Godowns creation and accounting entries in the Godowns. So before we enter into the topic, a request to you. Many students are entering the channel, they are just watching the videos and going without subscribing to the channel. So I request everyone to subscribe to the channel without fee and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. You will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel, and also share my channel with others. And the more important than this important thing is, everyone please watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, you will understand the topic up to that point only. The remaining part of the topic or subject you cannot understand. It will be like half knowledge. It's a waste of time. Okay. So don't skip the video. Watch the video till the end. See, I'll tell you. So when you are going to the college, you attend the college only for academic qualification like BCom, BA, BSc, like that. Academic qualification. There, we sit at least 2 to 3 hours in the class, isn't it? But here, we are learning Tally, Prime, software, professional training. That is why at least you have to spend some time for this. Spend the time and watch every video till the end. And if the video is good, please like the video so that if you like the video, the YouTube people will share this video to many people. They will share this to many people so that many people can have the chance to learn this topic. Okay, now we will enter into the topic. Here, Godown creation and accounting means what is meant by Godown? See, when the business is started, and the persons, traders or manufacturers who are dealing with goods. So when that purchasing and selling the goods, dealing with goods, so they have to store the goods and purchase the inventory, or stock items. They purchase, they have to store at one place. And from there, they will sell and deliver the goods. From there, they will sell the goods. That place where the goods are stored is called a godown, or it is also called a location. It's also called a location. Godown or location. So every company will have a godown or location definitely to store their goods. That location or the godown is called is a default location, or it is called as primary location. That is, they will have primary location. Okay, it means when the company started, the business will be sold and the goods will be stored. The location at the main location or main godown is also called. That main location or main godown may be in the office, or it may be in the, suppose if the showroom is there, showroom or storage is called. So in the showroom, they may have the primary godown, that is the main godown, or if they don't have showroom, so office and they have company, that is a factory. So in the factory also they can have that godown. This is called the main location or main godown. Definitely it will be default, it will be available. Because the accounting vouchers, accounting masters, so groups, there will be 28 groups. They by default they are created. And the voucher types there are 14. So all these 14 voucher types are, they were created by default in the software. Similarly, in the case of ledgers, two ledgers, profit and loss account and cash account, they are created by default. Similarly, in the inventory masters, only nothing is created. Stock group, stock item, units, nothing is created. But in the case of godown, they will have option there. See here, I will share the screen. So in this case, we create an item. Okay. In this case, if you go to the button, alt button. So here in the inventory masters, you will have go down. So this go down will be available by default main location. That is the main go down or main location for the purpose of storing the goods purchased and then selling the goods from there. This is by definitely here. So here now how we will do not only that if the business increases the volume of purchase and sales they increase so that one main location or go down, it may not be sufficient to store the goods and all these things. In such cases, dependent on the customers. Other go down in some other place. Like that, more godowns also in different places of the city or different places. We can maintain some godowns. When you maintain a godown, so that godown is also to be created in the books. And whatever goods or stock items are stored in those godowns, that is also to be recorded in our books. This is called creation of godown and accounting entries. Now we will create a company. Now, see, create a company. I am creating. Here we can create, or suppose if you are already in the gateway of Tally, here you can click Alt K. The first option is create. So like this, you can create. Now I will create in here. So go down creation. Go down creation will take up. Go down creation. So we'll take up as Hyderabad and state is Telangana. India is by default. Pin code. I will give some pin code 38. Okay. And then we will accept this. After this, company will be created and company will be created and we will go to the features page. So features. So maintain accounts is required and bill wise entries is required because we are dealing with goods. So if you have inventory, this is required. It is a must, definitely you must have. So that is there. And then here, maintain inventory, integrate accounts with inventory, both will be activated. I mean, they will be enabled. And here, goods and services tax, automatically all the details will be there. And here we have to give regular, ours is a regular business and the GST and we have to give these numbers and all these things, we have to give correct numbers. Okay, here we'll take up. So GSTN, I'm selecting here. This is Telangana. So 36, I will take up 36 and that 36 I will take up as a person, that is a sole trader. Person, P means sole trader. So P, I'm taking P, that means sole trader. See, the fourth letter is P. P means person, means individual. So that is a personal business. So it will be a sole trader business. So here, that a bill not required, will make it no. So and then accept this page. So we activated the everything we activated, and here we created the company here, and the other company we will shut down. We will shut the company. This is the company. So in this case, we have to go to the inventory masters. In the inventory masters, go down option will be there. There we have to create a some other go downs if you require. Okay, but here if you see create page, we can directly create whatever master, go down master. We can take the go down master. Okay, we can create directly. But here first of all, we must see whether we have any go down. So if you go to alter and go to go down, see this go down actually the term go down is the term relating to India and SAARC countries. The term is go down. In the case of international countries, all other countries, in the internationally, the term is, the terminology is collocation. So that is why it's called as location or go down. For example, if here it is location, it means it is selected as international. So India and SAARC countries, it is go down. If it is location, it means it is already selected as the international. So in that case, you go to settings. This is related to the country. So go to country and here default company for a new company. Whenever you are creating a company, the default after the state country India it is taking. It is because of this one default India. And then next one. So don't enter. So use the arrow marks, down arrow, up arrow. Go to down arrow. Use terminology, accounting terminology of India or SAARC countries. Because of that, that is showing as go down. So if you enter this, it becomes international. So accounting terminology, international countries. If you accept this, so here it shows us
location. You can use location or go down, both are same. You can use location also. If you want to go down Indian terminology, go to settings. If it is there, it show like that. Now we have to change it to, so here down arrow come down, enter, becomes yes, India and SARC. SARC, there are some member companies. In the SARC means South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. So the members of that association and the countries and India, the terminology is this one. And for all of the rest of the world, they are called international. The terminology will be, I mean, location. So in this case, if you see, so in this course, if you enter that, the main location that is given as location by default. So if you want it, you can keep it, and whatever you record without other, whatever you purchase and sell the goods, everything will be recorded by default in the main location till you create some other godowns. So all the record entries will be recorded in this godown, and you can keep this as it is. The name as it is, you can keep main location, or if you want to change it, you can change. You enter that main location, you can say is main godown. You can make it as main godown. You can make it as main godown, or you can make it as some other name. If it is in showroom, the godown, main godown is in showroom. So main location is showroom. We may call it as showroom godown or main godown. See here, you can make it. You can make it showroom godown. Showroom godown. We can make it, and then so in that whatever entry is made, it will be recorded in this. For example, we will take up an entry. So voucher we will take up. We will make purchases on 1st April 025, and name we purchase from Raghu Traders. For example, Raghu Traders. It is a sundry creditor because we are purchasing means sundry creditors. Bill wise details, yes. And here it is also Telangana. So we have to give Telangana number, some other personal number. We will give some other. This is also I'm giving as individual. That is sole proprietary concern. So the name is P. So with this, we can see whether the other company is proprietary concern, partnership, or on anything, any status. So this is accepted. This is purchasing receipt details. This is party details. Now we are purchasing. So create purchases account. It comes under it comes under it comes under purchase accounts, and here all the details we need not give anything here. And but at the end, these details, HSN and GST rate details, everything will be given in the items. Okay, stock items. But here you come to the end. Type of supply, you must be careful. You have to select goods. Services means services. Goods means trading goods, purchasing and selling. Trading goods are called goods, and fixed assets are called capital goods. The type of supply is capital goods, but the group will be the name furniture group will be fixed assets only. But in the down, type of supply will, what is the type of supply? Service or goods or capital goods. Goods means trading goods, but it is now we are purchasing, selling trading goods. So we select goods. In the case of assets, we take capital goods. Assets will be entered in the assets can be entered in the purchase voucher, but it can be entered as accounting invoice mode. That will come later. Accept. Okay. So it is accepted. So here purchases. Now we will see here. If we press space bar, all the details will be there. Stock items is not there. So we will take up here Dell laptop. This is easy. I'm reading Dell laptop, and a group we can take it as laptop or computers. We can create if you want. I'm not creating. Now here quantity code. I'm taking numbers. So full name will be numbers, and here as per the company this quantity code, quantity unit code we have to take from the as per the income, that is GST Act. This is required. So we take NO, if you give or NOS, numbers will be selected, and there will be no decimal places, because for product that is numbers, there will be no one number, 1.5 number, one quarter, one number, two numbers like that. That's why no decimal. And here here tax rate will be applicable. And here you come to this as per company is not given. Come down specifying details here. you will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But generally, these digital just numbers, this HSN code, up to 5 crores turnover, 4 digits minimum required. Above 5 crores, 6 digits are required. But anything, for any, whatever the turnover may be, it is better to give 6 digits always. Okay. And then come down. Here also, as per company details are not given, specify whether the goods are taxable or not. If it is taxable, what is the percentage? For example, 18% if you take. So IGST 18%, CGST 9%, SGST 9%, it will automatically, it will divide. If it is given in this way, suppose if you don't want the details, only one rate 18%, then we have to go to F12 here. Provide breakup of tax rate. It is yes. That is why it is showing breakup. Now it is not, it is shaken as no. It will take yes, not IGST. It will take a GST rate 18%. If it is the breakup is given, IGST 18% total, CGST 9%, SGST 9%, the breakup will show up here in F12. If you want, you can make it yes. If you make it yes, the breakup will be automatically, it will divide the between the CGST and SGST. So whatever the person, depending on the residence of the residence, depending on the purchaser recipient state, it will decide whether to take IGST for interstate or CG and SGST for local state. Okay. So this is created. For example, you take up here. Generally, when you are making the entries, where you will store the purchase, it will ask you the godown. But here, no godowns are created already. By default, there is only one godown. It means not created means there is no other godown. Only one godown is there in the company. That is the default godown. It is already by default it is created. So it is not asking where you will store, because it will store automatically. It will store in the existing main godown only. If you are required, if you create other godowns, then it will ask you which godown you will require, because now it is only one. So it will store the goods there only. If you have some other godowns also, then it will ask you which godown you require. That is before this, there is one column. There will be one column, which godown, that you cannot see here. That is why one small window will come. In that, already we know these 3 columns will be there. In addition to that, godown column also will be there. If you fill up, enter, automatically come here. But this godown column will not come. It will be recorded separately. So we are purchasing, for example, 5 numbers. So each one is 25,000. This is the number. And again, some other thing, HP, sorry, this is over. Now create another one, HP computers. For this also numbers applicable. Here also details specify here. Generally, computers and laptops will be the same number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the HSN number. And come down, specify the details here. Taxable 18%. I am giving as only example. Okay. So this is over. Now this is also, we purchased 5 numbers. That is 30,000 for example. 30,000, 60,000. Okay. Now, so there are some other item that also we will create. So only 2 items are there. Now go down. Now you have to give the taxation, because the tax rate is also, the tax details also, we enable the tax GST option also we enabled. That is why here we have to calculate tax also. See here, in the case of, see here, what is the state here? Raghu traders, when you enter the, make the entry here, details, and here party details, you can see what, which state, place of supply. Where is the place of supply? His place, Telangana. Okay, that is the recipient who is purchasing, the recipient place. Now we are selling, so his place is the place of supply. When you are purchasing, our place is the place of supply. So Telangana. That is why we require what is the taxes in the case of same state, Telangana. Local state means CGST, HGST. We will create CGST. It comes under duties and taxes, and the type of tax or duty will be GST, income tax, that the taxes. So now we are taking GST duty or tax, and then what is the type of tax means the element of tax. That is, there are 3 components, isn't it? Which one? That is CGST. Previously we create this one. Here it is, they give central tax, sales tax, state tax, integrated tax. Now they changed this name, and the same name they are giving, CGST. And here you should not give any You should not give any percentage, because if you give the percentage, so in this case, we created for one item 18%. So 9% and 9% CGST and HGST. So if you give this here, for every item, it will calculate 9%, 9% only. You suppose if the rate is 28%, CGST is 14, HGST is 14. So here it is given. So for every item, it will calculate. And that's why you should not give anything here. And here, I will tell you, this will be not applicable. We will not take it. When you are making the entry, I will tell you. Rounding method, we should not take and accept. Okay. Now see, automatically it is calculated. Now second one, SGST. SGST, same duties and taxes. GST, CIGS, SGST or duty GST, accept. So now it is accepted. Here, I told you one option. Now 9%, 10% if it is given. So if the same percentage will be shown here, it will calculate at further percentage. If for any other goods, if it is 18% also or 12% also, here it will calculate 9% only for all items. That is why we should not give here when you are giving the percentage in the item itself. So as per the percentage in the item, this will be calculated. First, this tax will see the goods taxable or not. Okay, taxable. If it is not taxable, it will not calculate. If it is taxable, it will calculate at the percentage given in that item. So it will calculate. But how to calculate? The percentage will be calculated. But which location? If it is the party is outside the state, it will calculate IGST. If it is inside the state, that is local state, it will calculate CGST and HGST. So here is a local person. We have to give CGST only. For example, you create IGST is also there. Utility taxes, GST, IGST. If it is IGST, see, if you take IGST, amount is not calculated because this person is not local person. He is a local person. CGST only you have to take. To take IGST, it will not calculate. For other states, if you have to take IGST, if you take CGST, it will not calculate. So we have to calculate here CGST only. CGST and here come down here in the new references, bill wise details, new reference, it will take the supplier's invoice number. That is the invoice number that will take up. It will take up because it will take that number. Purchase number 1, that is only serial number, purchase serial number. It will not take. If you don't give this supplier's invoice number, by default, it will take that number. It is wrong. Okay. So it is here. Now the goods are purchased, and where the goods will be stored? By default, the goods will be stored in the main godown. There is no other godown. So how they will see? So if you go to this one, this purchases will be shown in the profit and loss account. That is purchases, but nothing is sold. Everything, all the purchases are in stock. That is closing stock. In closing stock only, the details of the items will be shown. But purchases and sales will be shown in total. Purchases total 275. Only taxable value, not GST. GST will be separate. And closing stock will be the total purchases 125, 150, 270. So it will show the details. This is the thing. And if you go to the balance sheet, it will show the purchase. We purchased for credit. So Sunday creditors, and we paid tax. That will be taken input tax credit. That is minus net amount is 275. Everything is in stock. Closing stock is 275. And the stock details, we go down. Stock summary. Here, the items are shown. If you created groups, it will show the groups only. What are the items under the groups? That we have to say Alt F1, Alt F5. If you click, then in the under each group and what are the items. But here there is no group. Items are there. Under items are there, but locations also by default location. If you click that, nothing will happen. It will show only it will show only items. It will not show the godown also. See, godown means godown creation. That is the company name. And here it will not show the godown also because all this one are in the same godown. Here it will not show. But if you want to see the godown details, so go to display more reports, go to inventory books, then you take stock item. These are the items. Each item will be shown monthly report. And if you take next one godown, then it will show the godowns. So primary means all godowns because we have only one. So if we collect that, each one if you select, that will show. So showroom godown, if you take, see here. In the showroom godown also, see, showroom godown. So there are 2 items. There are many godowns. Each godown, the items in the godown. Again another godown, items in the godown. Like that, it will show. Here is only one. It is showing all the items in that godown only. Showroom godown, that is showroom godown is the godown report. So these are the items. Like that, by default, it is showing in the main location. But when the business increases, when the purchase and sales increases, in such a case, one store place, store source or one go down or location is not enough. And also, so we have to maintain some other godowns also. So when you maintain some other godowns, those godowns are also be to be shown in this, and the material stocked in the stored in those godowns also should be shown here. So what to do now? If is we will create depending on the customers. So which side we have more customers, so nearer to them we create a godown. Okay. Now what to do is we will create a godown. So we can create, go to create and go to godowns and create. You can create. Or I told you, go to alter, go to go down. Already it will show the existing the go downs. One or more. Existing only one is there, it is showing. Now if you go create, it will show you already go down. That is the main location. That was the name. Now we changed it. Go down showroom. That is go down name is showroom go down. We changed it. The showroom go down already exists. If you want to change it, you can change it, or you want to create, because main location was there. We changed it to this name. Now this is we are keeping, and extra additionally we are creating. So go to create. That is, if you go to here, see, a means alter and C means create. So you can click here, or you click C. So now it's in. So we will create two more. So in Hyderabad city, both ends. One is LB, sorry, LB Nagar go down. LB Nagar go down. This is created main primary. And another one is Patan Cheru go down, because that is both the ends. Patan Cheru go down. So Patan Cheru go down. So we created two more go downs. Now you see, this is already existing. Already some goods are stored in that. And here, LB Nagar go down and Patan Cheru go down. So we created. But now from now onwards, when you are making the entry, purchases or sales, it will ask you the go down also, because there is only one go down. The default it will take. But now which go down you want to use? So now what we will do? We will make an entry, that is the same date. Okay. Now we will purchase the goods and we will store in the other two, because already in one go down there are items. So this is the number by error. And the Raghu traders. So we will purchase from another one. Ramana enter prices is sorry is also sundry sundry debtor, sorry, sundry creditor. So sundry creditor, and you have to give all these details. I'm not giving all the details, you have to give exact numbers. Here, you must be very careful when you are creating them. When you are creating the person, here, state is very important and pin code is also important. State is very important because the tax will be calculated by the tally depending on the state only. If you give the number, the Telangana number, if you give, or by mistake, if you give some other state number, state code, also it will not take the number. It will take, because of the wrong number, there will be problem in GST. But here, GST department, GST portal. But here, it will take the state only. If you give Telangana, it will take CGST as GST. Our state is Telangana. So the party name, if you take CGST as Telangana, it will take CGST as GST. If you take Andhra Pradesh, it will take not take CGST, it will take IGST. So this one we are taking as the same state. So receipt details, then uh, this party details, then number you have to give here, and then accept. That is accepted. Now what we did, we goods purchased. So purchase the goods. What are the items? So here, these two items only we purchase from this person again. And here, so laptop we are purchasing. So here, I told you, now we have to store in particular go down. Now here it will ask you the quantity, rate, and amount here there. So you initially go down one option. That is why it is asking separate window. The go down will take up. See, go downs we have to see space bar. If you press, you can say the list of go downs. So these amount is, I mean, goods is available. This item is available already in this go down. These two will take up. LB Nagar go down, take 5. So it's also 25,000. The same item, same item. So go down is different. We'll take another go down. LB Patancheru go down. Also 5 numbers, 25,000. So totally 10, 5 each. Each go down, 5 numbers, total 25, 2,50,000. Now the other one also, space bar. Another one is space bar. Another one is HP Dell laptop. Now we'll take HP computer. And first one, LB Nagar go down. This also 5. This I will take up as 30,000. And then again another go down. Patancheru go down also. One go down means one go down will take up. Same item in many go downs. All the go downs you can take. And this is also 30,000, 1,50,000. So this is done. And now Ramana Enterprise, what I will do, for example, the previous one we purchased from the person from the same state. We'll take it from the same state, but here it will take, for example, in this case, you will take up Andhra Pradesh. You will take up Andhra Pradesh. So from 1st April, so Andhra Pradesh and the number, you have to give the state number. That is Andhra Pradesh number you have to give. So here, this is completed. Here, that is changed there. You have to take Andhra Pradesh here. Andhra Pradesh. And here, his state is Andhra Pradesh. He is supplying to purchasing means he is supplying to AS. Place of supply will be Telangana. We are getting that. So place of supply is Telangana, but his state is Andhra Pradesh. Because we are selling to him, his state is Andhra Pradesh. We are also supplying to Andhra Pradesh. Then both will be the same. In the case of interstate, both will be same. In the case of intrastate, both will be different. Okay. And here regular, and this also, this is Telangana. Place of supply, we are getting Telangana. We'll take up purchases, we'll take up this. So all this we entered. Now, in the case of the previous purchase, local state, that means we charge, the tax we calculate is CG and SGST. If we calculate now CGST is not taking. Previously, IGST did not take. We took CGST, SGST. But this is interstate, that is why you have to calculate IGST. So calculated IGST and come here. So new reference, this number, the bill number, new bill number, accepted. Now, the goods are purchased and all these goods are stored in both these cases. Now we go to this place, but here if you go to stock summary, it will display the items only, but here also it will display godowns now because there was only one godown default, it will not display. But here there are 3 godowns totally. That is why if we click yes, Alt plus F5 or Alt plus F1, then it will show the items and godowns. Where is the item in these godowns? What are the numbers? What is this item in these godowns? Here in this stock summary, it will show the items, and below that it will show the godowns. But if you go to the display more reports, stock reports, inventory books, and if you take select, that I will show you. So it is showing here item, and then it is showing godowns. But there it will show the godown, and in each godown what are the items. So now here we go to this one, display more reports, inventory books, godowns. If you go here, it is showing the godown names. Primary, if you take all, it will display all. If you select one, it will display only one. If you take primary, it will display all the details of the godowns. If you click F1, Alt F1, sir, Alt F1. So for each each item, what are the godowns? List in the godowns, stock in the godown. Here, each godown, stock of items. So like show, these are in everything. In every godown, there are 5 numbers each. Okay. So this is what we created, and we purchased goods. Now we make a sales entry. And other next part, in the next video, we will take up some other thing. Now we are selling the goods. For example, the date will be 2nd April. 2nd April, we are selling the goods. Take F8 if you take. We are selling. To whom you are selling? Alt C, Ramesh Electronics, for example, is a sundry debtor because we are selling the goods. Sundry debtor, name and everything. All this is from Telangana only. So all the regular, we have to give the number 36. Telangana means 36. Full number you have to give. This is not only 36 is not full. That is why it is showing error. Okay. Even if you don't give that also, it will show error because it's not given specified. Enter, it will go. It will accept. Okay, accepted. Accept, because here we are selling the goods. That is why dispatch details we are sending. What are the dispatch details? Delivery note and all other details. How you are dispatching? What are the lorry number and all these things. Accept. And now the party details. So we are selling. We are in Telangana, selling to Telangana only. State is Telangana. Our supply is also in Telangana. Accept. Now we have to make the voucher. Ledger, sales, previously purchases. This is sales under sales ledger, sales accounts, and come down. Don't give any details because the details are rates and SSN code are given in the stock items. Now you select here. Type of supply will be goods. Accept. Okay. Now what are the goods we supply? See here. You click the press the space bar. All the goods you can see. Godowns also we can see. First it will show here it is stock item. Till the list of stock item. Suppose we are selling one number Dell laptop, two numbers HP laptop. Okay, that will take up Dell. We are taking which go down because here in all the cases go downs 1155 are there because we are selling one in the LB Nagar go down because when you are purchasing, we can place in different godowns. When you are selling also, selling one godown also will place in one godown or different godowns. When you are selling also, definitely from one godown we will send. So for example, LB Nagar godown, we are selling one number, one number. So that what is the purchase price is 25,000 or something. This is Dell laptop 25,000. What are the price you are selling? You have to know the, cannot remember all the purchases. So here, Alt yes, stock query, what are the purchases made? So we made the purchases, Ramana Enterprises, we made the purchases 25,000 rupees each, but here you will take up 30,000. We are selling for 30,000 rupees. Okay, 30,000 we are selling, that is one. Okay, one. And another one is HP computer, we are selling from this number. Patanjali example, but in one showroom only. When you purchase, we store in one showroom. When you sell, we sell from one go down only. Generally, one item here, one item there, we will not purchase or sell. Just to know, I am telling you, Patanjali go down. So two numbers you are selling. What is the purchase price here? 30,000 rupees. So we are selling for 35,000 rupees. Example. So 35,000 rupees. We sold these items, and here Ramesh Enterprises is in Telangana only. That is what we have to do. We have to charge the tax. What is the tax? CGST, SGST already created. CGST, SGST, this is the amount, and sales invoice number one. So we sold one. So now if you see the stock summary, but here if you go to reports, the day book will see all the this one. Say what was purchased, then sold. All the transactions are shown. And if you go to profit and loss account here, what are the purchases and sales we made? So what are the sales we made and the balance stock items, closing stock it is showing. Since we sold goods, we'll get profit or loss. Then here 15,000 is the gross profit. There is no indirect expenses or incomes. So net profit also 15,000. So that if you go to the balance sheet, creditors, you sold the goods, service and debtors, closing stock, and the tax which we paid when you are purchasing. And this is the profit for this period. At present, this is the profit shown in the profit and loss account 15,000. The same thing is shown. The gross net profit is 15,000 rupees. And if you go to then stock summary, only the net remaining stock items are shown balance. And if you click Alt F1, each go down, it will show the items as well as go downs. So here in LB Nagar, it is one number is available, and here in these two go downs, 5 numbers available. And here in this case, so in the second one, Patanjali, only 3 numbers are available for this HP computer. All the other 2 go downs, all the 5 numbers are available. Like this, similarly, we can make another one, another sales entry. So we can take some other one, whatever the go downs make. So this is the stock item. But here it is showing only the closing balance only. If you want to see what are the purchases made, what is the what are the items purchased and sold and balance. So we want that also. You go to F12. In this case, here, these are all okay by default. Opening balance, yes. Opening balance. Goods inward, yes. Outward, yes. And balance, yes. And detailed report, if you take. So it will show details. Opening balance means the stock of items on the first day, that is 1st April, that is 30th, 31st March, the closing balance will be the opening balance. There is an opening balance, we will enter there. So that will be shown here. And inwards means purchases, outwards means sales. This is closing balance. So inwards, all the things we purchased, and out of these, what are the sales made and the balance items and rate. In this case, this is the purchase price, this is the sales price with profit. And here the closing stock will be shown at the purchase price only. Here, for example, here here, so we purchased 5, sold 2, so balance is 3. The purchase price is 30, sales price is 35. It will take only the purchase price. 30,000 is the purchase price. Suppose if there are 10 items, all the items are not purchased at one price. Twice it is purchased with different rates. It will take the average rate here. Okay, like this. This is the inwards purchases, outwards these reports will be shown. So with this, we will stop this one. The next video, in the second part. So some more purchases, some more sales we will take up, and then we will take up some goods transfer, because in one godown there is no stock. In one godown there are more stock that will be transferred. That because if there is no stock, you can purchase. If there is stock in one godown, if in one godown there is less stock, that can be transferred from one godown to another godown. That we will take up in the next video. With this, I am stopping this. So you go through well, once or twice you see this, you practice, take some imaginary figures, you can understand. Okay, with this I am stopping this. Wish you best of luck and good night.